Okie dokie, attempt number, I don't even know anymore. Alright. Why is this not 4K? So tired of this. Okay, here we go. Why us? Oh boy. Why us not 4K? Anyways, ready? Okay, here we go. Now I know it's. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? Still SD? This piece of junk I fought. What's the issue? What is the issue? Okay, so the video, let me see. It's bigger, it's 61.4. Bring it down to 60.9. So it gives me 1 minute. It's got to be a minute. You know, I don't really like having it more than a minute. It's a minute and 1 second is my thing. A minute and 2 seconds, it looks really stupid. 101. It's 101. That's a secret message. Yeah, you just figured it out. Congratulations. Oh, by the way, I'm trying to figure out the problem here. You saw the thumbnail. You saw the headline or the title. This thing, man. You make a 4K video. You have everything set up very nicely. This program is incredible. This app, I should say. 4K videos on this phone that's like about 12 years old is crazy, man. It is such a good app, but for whatever reason, it just doesn't work. Either way, this little bar, this little bar. Let me try something. I just came up with a weird idea. Let me leave it alone. I'm not gonna edit it. I'm gonna leave it 6104. So it's gonna show the video as 1 minute and 1 second instead of 1 minute. It's a weird thing where it shows 1 minute in my file, but it really hold on. Okay. It really shows. It's a few cuts here that I'm editing. I don't want you to see the full 100%. It's gonna be very boring. But essentially, it shows 4K. The resolution as 4K. It'll show 1 minute and 1 second. Here, let me show you. Okay, open up my resizer. Yes, there's my resizer. Come on. All right, so yeah, 1 minute and 1 minute, 1 second. But on YouTube, the 101, it actually comes off as, the 1 minute comes off as 101 and the 101 comes off as 102. Weird. So that's why I always like it to be 101. Also a secret message. It's 101, I'm teaching you. You're learning. Yay. All right. So we'll go to the studio. Okay, go to our shorts. All right, there they are. There you go, 4K. That's it. Oh man, I can't believe I figured it out. Wow, look at that big old 4K. It's processing 4K, but that's better than the bottom one that wasn't processing 4K. So just leaving it alone is what makes the difference. If I leave it originally as it is, then I'll be fine. Okay, so essentially what this means is if you have a video that you take out through your app. Hopefully you're using the YouTube Create app, but if you're not, whatever app you're using, the moment that you try and upload this to your phone or I should say to YouTube through your phone, this little bar that you use to edit your videos, you know, to make them shorter or I guess longer in my case, this little bar is what's making the issue. I'm not an expert. I'm not going to lie to you. I looked online for a few things. There are conspiracy theories out there that apparently YouTube favors people with high subscriptions and, you know, people that pay money for the bots and all that. And apparently they get a certain type of video codec, which makes their videos better. I don't care about any of that. I needed to know, why is it that my videos are not coming out in 4K when they were coming out 4K before? And I really like this app, so I'm trying to promote the heck out of it. The best way to promote it is by criticizing it. So yeah, I know, right? So many reviewers out there. I never imagined that YouTube would become freaking videoessay.com, dude. Everything's a video essay. It's like being in college again, man. And the only problem is I don't have my heroin. So moving forward. Yeah, man, I'm still in Honduras, so apologies for the mic and the way it sounds, but we're doing this guerrilla style. This is it, man. If you grab your video, you grab it the way it comes out. You know, once it's been created, and you upload it the way it's supposed to be without any edits, you're gonna get that boom, SD HD 4K. Meaning you can watch it in any one of these three, either standard, high, or 4K definition, which is great. Because the moment you edit something on that video by taking off a few seconds, by switching, there's the other one. See, this one's just SD. And that's because I had edited the time on it, which is a mistake. So you see how one says 1 minute, the other one says 102. That was really fast, but I'm trying to. This video is very cut. It's cut. But anyways, if you hold the video, you can see 720 on that other video. But then the new one, which is my 4K video, which is now 102, which I don't really like, but whatever. If you hold the button, you know, you can hold the button, you go to quality, and there you go. 1080p. It won't say 4K, but trust me, it's 4K. 1080p is the most that it could show as the quality. Man, this is, wow. This has been a long, look at that, ST. A long freaking morning, dude. I mean, a long freaking morning. Okay, so now it's officially 4K. Yep, SD, HD, 4K. Actually, this looks pretty good, man. I think I might make this the thumbnail. Yeah, if I center this properly, let me see, hold on. Let me see if I could maneuver myself here a little bit. So yeah, man, there's no conspiracy out there. Come on, guys, get that out of your head. YouTube doesn't favor one person over the other. They favor people that pay money. It's that simple. If you pay money for your subscriptions and your views, then boom, there you go. Okay, look at that thumbnail, video quality. I should put a circle around one of these, but I'm just not that good. There you go. Wait, oh, because I'm trying to get YouTube there too. Nah, screw it. This should be fine. And maybe I'll put like a little thumb. Oh, I know. I'll put a finger that points at one of these. I'm good at those fingers. All right. So I've put the name. I've updated it because obviously it's not going to be called now it's 4K. We're going to call it. I got to do something different here. Another weird problem. I'm going to delete the old video. And that's it. Video deleted. Thank you for joining me. And remember, there's no conspiracy out there. The only thing that's happening is if you don't pay money to get these artificial views and these artificial subscriptions, YouTube simply doesn't promote your stuff. It's that simple. It doesn't mean you're not going to get seen. You have to do your own promotion. You have to go to the rodeos. You got to tell the peeps, hey, go to my channel. Hey, watch my videos. And hopefully word of mouth. Also, social media seems to help out a lot. Hopefully this video helped out, man. There's no conspiracy. Just pay money and you'll get what you want. It's a business, man. It's a business. Thank you.